Welcome to 8217 Unit Number C, Surf Drive in Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with no HOA. Let's take a look. Thanks for coming on this virtual tour with me. I'm Sean Casilli with Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. If you've been looking for your own little piece of paradise here in Panama City Beach, this unit offers no HOA, no elevator lines, no waiting for a parking spot in a crowded parking structure, and no matter what time of year you or your guests want to come visit the beaches of Panama City Beach, you'll never have any traffic here on the South Lagoon right off Thomas Drive. If you guys want to see it in person, I'd love to show it to you. I'll leave my contact information down below, and if you like property tours like this, make sure you keep it locked in at Bay Real Experts, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.